Oh, look who she picked up. Are you going to take them both? I'm going to go for both of them.
Twins. Lisa Wilder with twins.
You want me to help you with this one? Okay, come on, sweetheart. Koko would like to see you now. Okay. You got them both. That's really interesting. Yeah. Okay.
Look sharp at
Oh,
me.
dear. The complications of trying to do that. Can't keep track of those. They didn't get them in, and then they didn't call, so I'm not sure what happened. I ordered them, they didn't. It was the first time. You can introduce the baby to the owl. There's the owl. I'm going to show her the cake. Yes. She's showing how to eat fake cake. Look. Yeah, the kitty can have some. Nice. Uh-huh.